Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today I'm going to be putting together holiday bundles for my family this year filled with Glamnetic goodies, and I'm really excited about it. Let's start packing. So the very first gift I'm going to pack is for my mom. She is so much more into natural lash styles, and she has tried Glamnetic and loves them. So I'm really excited to surprise her with more natural lashes. This is the Natural Bestsellers kit that I'm going to give to her. It has Lavish, Virgo, and Luxe in there, as well as a liquid magnetic liner. I'm gonna throw that in here. And then I'm also going to get her a lash grab just because it's easier for her to apply, I feel. Throw that in there, and then also, why not throw in some of our new nails? This is Madame from the new nail launch. These are more natural. They're like that cute French tip, and they're short almond. So this is perfect for somebody that's more into the natural, classy look. There we go. Mom's set. On to the next. Next, we have my brother's girlfriend. And honestly, I had the perfect set in mind because it looks like I spent a lot of money, but with the discounts we're having right now, I didn't spend that much at all. I'm talking about the Fantastic Four bundle. We've got Lavish, Luxe, Lush, and Lust Lash. And it also comes with a magnetic liquid liner. My favorite thing about this bundle is it has the perfect mix of a natural to a medium to a bold glam lash. So you're getting everything in this little bundle. So this is perfect for Leah. All right, ready to go. And you know what? I think I'm also gonna throw in there a foldable lash comb. Glamnetic just came out with this bad boy. It is so cool. Look at this, you guys. It is foldable and tiny. You could travel anywhere with this. Look at that. How cool. All right, you guys, now we're going on to my sister. So I have to go all in for her. I have decided to gift my sister the Vegan Universe collection. It is all of the V series, which is 6 fully vegan lashes, as well as the Lucky Lash, which is also vegan. Throw this in the bag. Of course, she gets the liquid magnetic liner, which is included in the kit. She's gonna love me after this. Last but not least, I've decided to get myself all 4 of Glamnetic's new colored magnetic liners. This is one of their newer collections. It's the So Vivid magnetic felt tip eyeliner pens. There's 4 different colors. These things are selling out like crazy, so I've decided to snatch them while I can. Don't tell anyone, but I'm wearing these to Christmas. So sister's set, mom's set, brother's girlfriend set, I'm set. I also want to let you guys know that Glamnetic offers quad pay, so you can split up your payment into 4 different payments over the span of a couple of months, because we know how difficult times are right now. We want to make it as easy on you as we can, but we also don't want you to miss out on fun sales, fun deals, and fun products. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!